Haymes Paint Show Me is about getting amazing results on your DIY painting projects. Hi, I'm here to show you how to coat your new deck. This project is suitable for all decking timbers. Tackling any paint job can be done with our 3 Ps: planning, preparation and painting. Step 1. Planning. First, choose your colour from the Haymes Paint Dexpress colour range. For this deck, we have chosen Dexpress Natural. Haymes Wood Care Dexpress lasts 3 times longer than traditional decking oils and is a breeze to apply. Here's what you'll need: safety gear, preparation gear, painting gear, and most importantly, stars of the show. Step 2. Preparation. Remove any outdoor furniture and obstructions on your deck. This deck has not been maintained well in the last few years and is quite patchy, so we'll need to get a professional sander in to start fresh. Now we're ready to clean the deck. The next steps are the same if you have a new or sanded deck. Mix 300 grams of Haymes Wood Care Rapid Prep with 5 litres of hot water in a plastic container and stir to dissolve the granules. Wet down the grass and any metal objects surrounding the deck. Now wet the deck before applying the solution. Pour the Rapid Prep solution onto the deck and scrub thoroughly with a decking scrubbing brush. Allow the solution to sit on the deck for 10 to 15 minutes to work its magic. Be careful not to let the solution dry on the timber. Wash the solution off with a pressure washer and allow the surface to dry for at least 24 hours prior to coating. You can check to see if the surface is ready for coating by sprinkling on some water. If the water does not bead, you are good to go. Step 3. Painting. Make sure your deck is completely dry and clean. Stir Dexpress thoroughly with a suitable paint mixer. Now for the fun part. Start by cutting in around the edges. Make sure to seal the ends of all the decking boards. Apply Dexpress generously to 2 to 3 boards at a time, coating the entire length in the direction of the grain. Maintain a wet edge to avoid overlap marks and make sure you are applying at the recommended coverage rate for the best result. Allow your deck to dry for at least 2 hours. Apply your second coat using the same process. If required, apply a third coat the following day to areas with high UV exposure. Your project is now complete. You should be able to walk on the surface with bare feet after 2 hours, but be careful as the coating can take up to 4 weeks to fully harden. Further information is available on the Haymes Show Me instruction sheets in store or online.